Ngithanda ukubingelela okokuqala ababukeli beDurban Network ukuza ukugcina kwethu sigcine sifikile la kwi-Brilliant Cup. I've known uBrilliant for quite some time, sikhule ndawonye and nakho nje badishilo nje izolo ukuthi asigcini ngoba abangani kuphela. We do need to ukuthi meqhamuka business opportunity sisizane khona uyabo, because mina I deal with imoto sika Hyundai Springfield. So yena wenza i-tournament inabantu abaningi abasebenzayo aba-interested ekuthengeni imoto, and at the same time nabo mebedinga usizo with running around, because i-event kanje iyadinga ukuthi kube khona izinto ezilandwayo, abantu abahanjiswayo, ama-dignitaries ahanjiswayo. So we offered imoto ukuthi sibe khona, kube lula ukuthi babe nenyawo ezilula ukuthi basheshe bafike nabanye, because soqeda late namhlanje bakwazi ukuthi bahambiseke nje comfortably. If anything mhlawumbe mekuthiwa khona into ephuthumayo, we are available as Hyundai Springfield, nje basiphathe namanzi ke futhi for refreshments for abadlali and dignitaries abazobe bekhona namhlanje. So yeah, it's a very beautiful opportunity. Sithanda ukubonga kakhulu kuBrilliant Khuzwayo for giving us the chance ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sifike nathi and showcase imoto zethu lezi sisebenza ngazo.
Okay, Sisanda Ubingelela again. I would like to say hi to everybody. Calvin. So the importance of supporting these kind of events is because now it's the exposure for everybody, not just for the company on our side, but exposure for everybody. Could be the company, which is actually we have upcoming artists, which is soccer players, also cool in the industry, and definitely know what's this Hyundai in the scene, and also be able to Nazi. Then that makes the business grow as well. Yeah, that's the main perspective. Obviously, to bring in new business, new talent as well. Yeah, because so guys was to sponsor the show. One of the members, Ma, with them say that they locate the chiefs and all such and etc. Well, I can say a lot. I mean, you mentioning that Ugushoga Koloko Nganya Wetu, because so number one puts as Springfield. Yeah, well, bear in mind to say we top 100, right?
Top 100 emhlabeni wonke.
Top 100 emhlabeni
wonke. 100 emhlabeni wonke. Hyundai Springfield kuphela top 100 emhlabeni wonke. So that is why nathi sikwazile ukuthi sifike la and showcase imoto zethu. Actually is cheap, as you can see. Uyabona abo you can get mhlawumbe mekuthiwa nje khona umuntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto, kodwa manje akutshela ukuthi anginayo imali yokufaka igarage, imoto angifuni ipaya ngaphandle. Uthenga imoto ekuneza cashback wakhe igarage at a cheaper installment. Uyazi na ukuthi kuba lula mekuthiwa mhlawumbe unezikweletu ofuna ukuyivala, uthatha imoto ngikuneza imali ube clean, kube right. And imoto zethu zi-fuel efficient. First of all, it's safe. Insurance yethu cheap. Imoto abanje akufani namanye ama-brand afana no-Polo la uzokhokha insurance ya-2,000. So it's an insurance nje, let's say for instance ku-Extra, you can pay insurance at 900 at an installment of maybe say about 2,700, 2,800 njalo ngenyanga. So it's cheap and it's reliable. Aziphuki with i-warranty ya 7 years, 200,000 kilometers, you know you're safe. Yeah, but what I do is I always advise my customer ukuthi when you buy a car, imoto mayathi cela ukuthi uyiservice, thatha imoto uyise kubo kwayo bayiservice and ensure ukuthi awuyishiwe bi-service, because if you miss your service iyaphuma i-warranty. Uyabo, so we cover imoto 7 years, 200,000 kilometers, engine and gearbox. Uyabo, so that means ukuthi every single time makuthiwa imoto inenkinga uyiletha kuthina siyakulungisela because it's covered under i-warranty yethu. Uyabo, so you're quite safe lapho. Uyabo, kodwa obviously mhlawumbe after 3-4 years nyana sifonelane uzoshintsha imoto, uthathe imoto esayintsha. Uyabo, don't stay with imoto for over 5 years. Thenga imoto ungifonele after 3-4 years buzo uyishintsha uthathe sa brand new ngaleso sikhathi. Ensure nje ukuthi nje nawe you have peace of mind, the quality, and you're good ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay, engavisa uku-add is that we would like to tell opportunity to as upcoming soccer players to educate them on my credit score, because abantu isikhathi they only know about the credit score once sebezothenga something, which is really crucial. Omunye umuntu understand uma umtshela ukuthi into yakho ayihambanga kahle, but yazi kahle ukuthi usebenza umsebenzi oright, but okubalekile ukwazi ukuthi credit score ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Omunye umuntu ucanga uma uthi uvula ama-account sekumele uspend yonke imali kwama-accounts. It's all about affordability nokuthi wakhe trust in a bank, because yonke into nawe when you're doing business, it's all about trust. It's all about the trust. And nathi as a dealership, we work on trust with the bank. Ama-bank trust thina ukuthi senze njani sikwazi ukuthi si-conduct the correct information with ama-consultants wethu, ama-customers wethu. So which is really important. ukuthi ke sibambe at a young age, but unfortunately izinto azenze ngendlela esifisa ngaso isikhathi. But this is how nathi we are trying to reach abantu and our audience and our clients ukuthi ke sizama ukuthi siba educate here and there lesingakwazi khona.
Yabo, it can happen ukuthi yazi abanye abantu baboye basaba ukuthenga imoto. Ukuthenga imoto is a very simple thing. It takes about 3 hours ukuthenga imoto. I could call it 3 hours ukuthenga imoto. Because umuntu osebenza, if you're permanently employed, I only need 3 latest pay slips with 3 months bank statement, the ID and driver's license. Uma kuwukuthi uyazisebenza, self-employed, maybe you've got a tuck shop or mhlambe une business leyinwele and stuff. I only need a bank statement at 6 months. The ID, driver's license, with an average income of 25,000, depending obviously on the model ofuna ukuyithenga ngaleso sikhathi. So i-scoring sakhona, make sure ukuthi your accounts are always up to date. Yonke into yakho nje imkahle. It makes it easier. It makes it easier, guys. Kuba lula. Abantu abakhona ke la ku Brilliant Cup ngisazobabona bonke. I'm going to see each and everyone la ngizo distribute ama pamphlets. Uyabo, so we're gonna make sure ukuthi umuntu menombuzo siyayiphendula bakwazi ukuthi babe more educated about ukuthenga imoto. Yabo nje besila ibuilding yakamasipala, there's so many stuff abantu bangathenga imoto baningi, so we'll educate them ukuthi khona banazi imoto, we can do a quick evaluation umuntu atrade in imoto, sihlangana eSpringfield kusasa umuntu esazothatha imoto ngo2 emini. Yabo, so it's all about knowledge. Silana abantu abangasaba ukuthenga imoto, guys, it's simple and imoto ibalekile. Guys, it's really important to have a car.
My closing remark is it's not so many words. Engakusho ukuthi bethu abantu bangasaba ukubuza imibuzo. Uyabo, at the end of the day ukuthenga imoto, it's a huge commitment. It's not an impulsive decision, it's a conscious decision oyenzayo. So ukusho ukuthi ulwazi commitment ka 7 years or 5 years uya ngakuthi ke which brackets ofula kuyona.